Hi, my friends, it's Sharon, and I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world with humour and heart. My neural mind shift technique today is about the shift, and I brought a pen that my friend Brian Wilson at Botany Wood had made for me. It's a pen that has a shift on it, actually. It has the tire at the top, it has a gear shift at the side, and it has a tire at the bottom. It's an awesome pen. I have this kind of thing about pens. I love really nice pens. But when I use this pen, what I think about when I push down on the shift is to shift my mind from the stinking thinking that I might have, from the chaos that might be happening in my life. And as I pick up this pen, I think, shift, Sharon. Shift it to inner harmony. Do the APB. Awareness, pause, and breathe. Remember, my friends, today, shift your attitude. Make that change and put out the APB for inner harmony. And if you like this message today, please hit share at the bottom and show you care so others can learn techniques for creating harmony from within with humour and heart. Until next time, all the best and many blessings.